Hi, welcome to Avasam Insights. My name is Lucas, and in this video I am going to show you how to integrate your Shopify store with Avasam. Integrating Shopify with Avasam lets you list products directly from Avasam via our listing tool functionality, download orders, as well as controlling stock levels and prices. If you click on the settings and sales channel integrations, it will allow you to select from the channels we currently support and are able to integrate with. This button will take you to our help page articles regarding Shopify integration. When you are ready, click on Add. Here you'll need to enter the name for this integration. It is for your reference only. I'll call it Lucas Shopify UK. Click on Next. Here you will need to add your Shopify URL for your store. Take that URL and add it here. Please make sure you remove the slash at the end and the URL is ending with .com only. Click on Next, and now authorization key. If you are logged into your Shopify account already, this will then show you the information before you install the app to make sure you're agreeing to install and connect the Avasam with your Shopify store. Click on Install App. Now Avasam has successfully connected with your Shopify account. You can close this window if it doesn't close straight away and go back to your Avasam to finalize the integration. Click on Next. Here, this has been all pre-filled for stock location control to be Avasam. For order status to download, order has to be in open status, and process order status has to be paid and fulfilled. Click on Next. Now we can see sales channel has been configured successfully. What you can do, you can go inside your Shopify integration, test the channel just to make sure it's all connected correctly, and we've got shipping mapping option and SKU mapping option here to be able to map the type. So these would be your collections, and you can map these directly to Avasam categories. And for shipping mapping, we have a separate video to do this. For SKU mapping, you would not need to do this, because once you use our listing tool functionality, all the SKUs would be mapped automatically. Now I'll take you to our additional settings of the channel. What you need to see here, obviously, to set the default collection from home page, and fulfillment location is preset automatically, because if the fulfillment location is set to Avasam, we'll update stock price and update orders according to this location. Make sure it's all set to Avasam location, which is done automatically. What you can do here is split orders with unknown SKUs. If there is one more or more SKUs in order and these are not mapped or is not Avasam SKU, then order will be split. What you can do is also exclude non-Avasam orders. So if you are selling on different channels or selling your own stuff, then we would not download any of these orders if it's not Avasam orders into your orders page. Stock to be turned on. For all the map SKUs listed products, stock would update automatically if this is turned on. If you are using our pricing rule, you'll need to make sure that this is also set to yes for prices to be automatically updated according to your rules that you have set up. Maximum quantity to advertise. This would be if you want to set maximum number of items you want Shopify listing to show for any listed and mapped to Avasam SKUs product. If the stock level is higher than this number, it will be maintained at this value until you have less available. If the level becomes lower than this point, the inventory level updates listing accordingly. So if I just want to advertise 20 maximum, I'll set this to that value, and then also stock threshold value. So you would set the stock level of an item you want Shopify listing to treat as 0, or which means out of stock for any listing mapped to Avasam. If the stock level is higher than this number, it will not affect the listing. If the level becomes lower than this value, the inventory level updates are set to 0 for the listing. So I'll set it to 5. Once the level reaches 5 in Avasam, it will mark this item as out of stock or not available to avoid any overselling. And then just note these two mentions here. Once you have done all of the settings, click on Save. And this would be also saved accordingly here within our listing manager. So this sync updates every 20 minutes for order updates, price updates, and then stock update as well. So after the next thing, this would be automatically updated. If you have any questions or you want to review our knowledge base articles, you can click on Help, and this will take you to our Help Center for all the different functionalities explained. Or you can reach out to my colleagues via live chat, email support@avasam.com, or raise a support ticket. Thank you for watching.